Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And I haven't been here for a while. I know I haven't been here for a while, but I have a lot of stuff to show you guys and I have a lot of hauls coming up. Yeah, so I was missing because I had a lot of like family things to do and a lot of things with my kids. So I think I'm okay now and I can start doing the videos for you guys and showing you guys what I picked up. Today's video is I'm going to show you what I picked up from Michael's. Michael's had really great stuff for 4th of July. So I'm going to show you right now what I picked up. And by the way, this pillow is from Pottery Barn and so is this one. And I like it because they are pillowcases. I like them because they're pillowcases. I can use my existing pillows, so I love that, you know, because now I have so many pillows I don't even know where to put them, so I rather have pillowcases. This is really pretty, and I love the buffalo check, the navy. All right, so I want to show you these because I don't think I have anything else from. Oh yeah, I do have something else I want to show you from Williams-Sonoma. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I got from Pottery Barn. I didn't get any. So since we're on the subject for 4th of July, I want to show you what I picked up from Williams-Sonoma. And I say that is because where I shop by Williams-Sonoma is right next to my Pottery Barn. So let me just show you what I got from Williams-Sonoma. All right, it's for 4th of July. It's really, really cute. You're going to love it. All right, so I picked up these bowls. These are ice cream bowls. And inside it says, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So I love these. And you know, they're for 4th of July and for all summer long. And I just love the colors. And I love each bowl is different. Look how pretty this one is. Look how pretty this one. They're all really pretty. This is so cute. I just love because it's buffalo check. And then this is just a regular stripe. So these are really, really cute. And then I picked up this plate from Williams-Sonoma. I forgot how much these were, but picked up this plate. And then I picked up this ice cream scoop because they say it warms up with your hands and you're able to get into the ice cream. And actually it does because I tried it. So I picked this up too, and I think they have a bigger size than this. So yeah, I put it like this when I serve the ice cream, but this is a really pretty plate too. They had some other ones too, I just picked that one. And then I picked up some sprinkles because you gotta have sprinkles on top of the ice cream. Actually, my kids like it, so it came in a 3-pack. And then regular sprinkles, red, white, and blue, and then just a white and a red. Okay, that's all I got from Williams-Sonoma for like 4th of July for summer. Now I'm going to show you what I picked up from Michael's. Okay, the first one I want to show you this. I just love this Uncle Sam. So very, very cute. These are going to go on my mantle. And I'm going to have another video coming up of how I decorated my mantle. All right, and then I picked up this birdhouse. How cute is this birdhouse? I just loved it. They had other styles, but I like this one. And then they had these stars. So, and then this blue one, and they actually had a white one. I didn't pick up the white one, I might, but, and make sure when you pick these up, the 50% off, because they were a little bit pricey. This one was $39.99, which I didn't pay that. So I got these stuff because it was, I think, a 40% off, and then I had a 25% they had sent me. So when I went in there, I got a deal. So, because I felt that these were a little pricey, so make sure when you have the 50 and you have your coupon, because, yeah, they're a little pricey. And they have this size, a white one or a littler, I don't remember. But I might go pick up the white one if it's still there. If it's not, it's okay. And then I picked up this bowl. It's like an enamel bowl. So they had this in red, but I wanted it in white, because I felt like I could use it more, but it's very pretty. So I can still use this for 4th of July. I could put like strawberries and blueberries, and it's like, you know, those are like 4th of July colors if I want to make something. But anyway, this is a pretty bowl. I like this one. I used this already. Before I forget, I want to show you this flag that I picked up from Michael's. It's wood, and I just love it. I hope you guys can see it. And it's pretty big, so I didn't want to take it out of here, but this is where I put it. And it's very, very cute. Okay, so I hope you can see the flag. It's real wood, and it's a neutral color. It's just white flags and just wood. So I ended up putting it here. I think it looks cute, and I can even use this flag all year round, I said, because, you know, it's so neutral, and I just love the way, you know, everything down here came out. All right, so that's all I got for Michael's for 4th of July. So I will do another video showing you how I'm going to do my mantle for 4th of July. I have a lot of other videos coming up. I've been shopping, so I want to show you just a few things that I picked up from Target. From World Market I picked some things, and I can't remember where else. Alright, but I'm going to have videos for you guys, so stay tuned for those videos. And the other thing, before I close my video up, don't forget to go to Instagram and follow me, Keeping Up with Miss Electra. I do a lot of things there. I'm going to try to do more things over the summer too. So follow me there along, because I do other things. Like right now on Instagram, I am doing Joanna Gaines recipes on Instagram. I am trying to do the whole book. I'm still on the breakfast, but if you go to Instagram, you can follow me and see when I do these recipes. I have them like saved in my highlights so you could review them too if you missed them. So don't forget, go to Keeping Up with Miss Electra so you can see the stuff I do over there. I might be doing like some clothes hauls too that I pick up from Target. So yeah, so don't forget, follow me. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!